Gong practice 186. Today is Tuesday, November 10th, 2020. It's the birthday of the Marine Corps, United States Marine Corps. Happy birthday. Thank you for all the things you've done for our freedoms. I have some friends that are Marines, and I appreciate their service and the things they did to let us live in the greatest country around. In my opinion, freedom. Well, at the perceived level of freedom, there's still a lot of control at hand, but freer than most, which I'm thankful for. Like, this is what I get to do. This is my life. I get to work from where I live, computer work, and hands-on labor, all in the same spot. I don't have to leave. It's amazing. I'm so fortunate with how things turned out in life. Whether or not they turned out that way because I thought it was possible, or is it the way it was supposed to be? Manifestation, giving things, putting it out there into the universe, and letting it happen. That's how my life works. Been doing it for a long time. Ever since I don't even know. I think the first time I realized it, I guess, was when I was 19. Right before my 20th birthday, I purchased my house, my first house. And I had, when I bought it, all these people, parents, friends, and said, I can't believe you actually did that. I can't believe you actually bought a house. You said you're going to do it. You've been talking about that for years. You were talking about it years ago. And then I remember, oh yeah, I did say that, didn't I? When I was 14, almost 15 is when I first said I was going to buy a house before I'm 21. And I bought it when I was 20. Found it when I was 19. My birthday was like a week later. Made an offer actually in June. I think it was June 6th for some reason. June 9th. Go back. 2001, June 9th. It was June 9th, 2001. I know it was that day because that's 6, 9, 2001. 6 plus 9 is 15 plus 2 is 17 plus 1 is 18. 1 plus 8 equals 9. It's the number of completion. That was completion of my manifestation. Happened. And then I realized then that things happen as I think them. And I said, well, if that worked, then I'm not going to have a house payment by the time I'm 30. And I'll be financially stable by the time I'm 35. In my mid-20s, I changed it to I'd be a millionaire by the time I'm 35. Some greed was setting in, honestly. Look back at that, how foolish of me, but the universe has its way of teaching things. And so when I was 30, that's when I stopped making payments on my last house. My wife and I had designed and built with our hands on the golf course. Recession, all these things, and we had to let it go into foreclosure. Pay your taxes to pay for your house. Pay your taxes. Government's not going to forgive you. They'll come after you. You owe. You'll always owe. So anyway, I stopped making payments on my house October of 2011. I was born in 1981, so that's when I was 30. In November of 2011, when I came to the point of time to make a house payment, I was like, oh yeah, I'm not doing it. I started laughing because I realized I'm 30 years old and I don't have a house payment, just like I said I would when I was 20 years old. The universe gave me exactly what I asked for, just not the way I imagined. It's being aware of that. And when that was taking place, going through foreclosure and bankruptcy, 30 years old, worked so hard to get into a certain point and then to lose it all, but it was a blessing. Losing it all is how I came to realize how little I need. What's important in life. And so during that time, going through that, my brother-in-law, he said, so you still think you're going to be a millionaire when you're 35? I said, I don't know, but I'm going to keep trying. I'm going to keep trying. I'm not a millionaire right now, no. But at 35 I had a business, was started, plenty of employees. I got a lot of people working, created millions of dollars, I think, I'm trying to remember, whatever it is, handful of millions of dollars put into a local economy through wages every year. Almost $1 million in wages going out, helping people. If you ask for my own personal wealth, if you measured it, monetary value, the company has money. I might have $3,000 in my checking account, something like that. $8,000 credit card debt. Those are real numbers. But I live free because I know that I'm helping a lot of people and I feel great about it. It all started with manifestation, it all started with little thoughts, and that's why I know other things that I want to achieve in life will happen because I can keep working on them, keep putting them out there. And this is part of it, this YouTube channel, honestly. I had that on my little board at the beginning of the year. Start a YouTube channel, start playing the gong more, work on that, and this is what it's been. So I'm thankful, grateful for this life, and I know life ahead is beautiful because that's what I believe it to be. So anyway, that was a little story that just came out. That's what it is. More stories to come, I'm sure. I know there will be because this is my story and I'm writing it. That's the amazing thing, is taking control of my everyday by controlling my thoughts, my words, and my actions. Simple as that. Create no harm, just love. It's really simple. It really is. Wanting to be the best possible me so I can be everything possible for other people. It's that simple. So with that, the gong helps me be me, helps realign my chakras, helps the energy flow, helps me keep me, just helps me be present, brings me somewhere, blissful state, letting it all go. And so I recommend lying down, eyes closed, noise cancelling headphones if you have them. If you don't, it's okay. It just sounds better with them. You focus on your breath, turn off your cell phone, anything that may bother you, distract you. You can be awake if you like, but just don't drive a car or operate any heavy equipment. I do recommend, though, just lying down and being with the sounds. You're already here, you're already listening, talk for 7 minutes and 30 seconds. So might as well just go ahead and stick around for 30 more minutes, get some great vibrations in, and then I'll wake you up and I'll say, wake up, something like that. And I'll probably talk a little bit more because that's what I do, because it's my channel and it's my life and I can do what I want to do, providing I'm not harming anybody. That simple. Do not harm. Just spread love, as I just said a moment ago, but it's fresh in my mind, so I'm going to say it again. Just do no harm. Spread love. So go ahead and focus on your breath. Breathe any way you like to, and if your mind starts wandering, come back to your breath. You might if you feel an urge to cough or sneeze or twitch, or you feel something crawling on you or some other sensations of your body, just accept them. Just let it be. Don't let them distract you. Just come back to your breath. Come back to your breath if your mind starts wandering, and just be one with the sounds. Let the sounds go through you. Let them move you. I recommend using the restroom really quick. Hit pause. Use the restroom. Come back. Make sure you're ready to lie down. Light some candles. Turn off the lights. Put some candles out. If you have crystals, get your crystals out. If you have sage, you want to sage your room, sage it, other incense, oils, whatever. Get it going. Set a good scene. Make this about a journey, a sound journey. It's an experience. Quiet your mind and let the sounds do the talking. Let the sounds reprogram. Let the sounds help shift things in you that need to be put back in place. So many people are out of alignment. I'm not fully in alignment. I'm only partially, because I know every day I can be better than who I was yesterday. There is no perfection because there is no pinnacle. There is no top of the mountain. It is a forever climb in this life. It's a forever climb. So don't have this idea of retirement. Don't have this idea of I'm going to stop and kick my feet up and do nothing. If you want to reach some great places, you got to keep moving forward, one step at a time, for sure. You don't have to do anything. You can actually just sit, do nothing, not eat, not drink, and die if you like. We're all going to head there as well. So get over your fear of death. It's that simple. It really is. And then you can live life and be free like me. I'm free. Yep, pretty much. So go ahead and focus on your breath. I'll start playing and use the restroom really quick. Like I said, set the stage, make it nice. It's your experience. And enjoy. Thank you very much for being here. I do appreciate everybody that's watching this because it's just me having fun, honestly. Not all that saying it's not serious about what I just said. I mean, I'm enjoying what I'm doing. That's what I mean by having fun. And also striking the gong is fun for me. It's like being a child. It is being a child. It's being who I am and playing and laughing and smiling at myself in the reflection of the gong and making funny faces at myself while I'm striking the gong because that's what I do. So when I say I'm playing, I don't mean I'm playing about the seriousness about everything else I said. Is that really serious? I don't know. They're just my words, my thoughts. Who knows anything really? But that's just the way I navigate my life. But do set your stage, do set your scene, because that's what I do. I'll light some incense in a moment. I'll dim the lights before I start playing. Do a couple little chants, get myself centered. I have crystals all around me all the time because I believe in them, and I believe in them. It's that simple. Because I believe in them, I have them around me, and they work for me. And whether or not people say they do work or don't work, it doesn't matter what other people think, because I know what I believe and I know what they do for me. So just be you. That's the whole thing. Just do you. Thank you, April, my sister, for bringing that into my life. Just do you. And her friend River that brought into her life. You do you, and then it's you, however it is. But it's amazing, and that's it. Just be who you are, and I appreciate you being here while I'm just playing the gong. So yeah, if you're watching this, go ahead and say like hi down below. You know, just it's okay to comment. Just say hi, whatever. You can, you don't have to, never mind. Well, whatever, you can. I just think it's weird if people, not weird, I guess it's not weird. I've heard so many people talk, not a lot of people, a few people talk that they watch these videos. And if it's helping you, awesome. If it can help you more, if you want to share what you need help with, if you're getting like that, you can reach out. Feel free to. I'm just here to help. I'm just here to serve. Just trying to spread some light of this on this world. So there's more rambling. I do appreciate it. I'm gonna start playing. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'll wake you up when it's done. Enjoy. Slowly come back to yourself. Nice deep breath in through your nose, wiggling your fingers and toes, taking all the time you need to come back into your body. Welcome. Thank you for being present with the sounds. It was a little longer than 30 minutes. It was like 34 minutes. We're so sorry about that yawn. It just came over me, and that's where it's at. I started playing. I was using the same mallet, and it just got into the zone and played for a while, and just thought a lot of things out. It was interesting the way things are, but just amazing experience I feel I had while playing. So hopefully it was good for you as well. If you'd like to comment below about your experience, that'd be great. You don't have to, but it might help others remember what they experienced. We all experience things differently. We all hear things differently, and you never know how much stuff we have in common. And so many people are afraid to share, but I'm just an open book. I'll share my entire life because why not? It's just a little glimpse of forever, and I plan on keep going. That's the plan after this body. Whatever the body's next, it is what it is. So I'll just go for the journey. I still sometimes free flow thoughts all the time, just out of my mouth. But 5 principles of Reiki, go over those every single day. Keep them centered in my mind. Helps me be me. 5 principles are: just for today, I will not anger. Just for today, I will not worry. Just for today, I'll be grateful. Just for today, I'll be kind to others. And just for today, I'll focus on my work. Those 5 things every single day. Why? Because all it is today is all we have. It's just for today. Just for today. Just for today. Oh man, my life's amazing. Absolutely love it. I'm just like beaming with joy right now. Like I just don't even realize how amazing things are. And then you stop to realize the amazingness of all of it. And I'm so fortunate, so grateful. I'm so excited about life. And the gong is part of it. And I do appreciate you sticking around listening to me talk, playing the gong. Man, sorry, jeez. I heard that popping. That was my jaw. That was an accident from football in 9th grade football practice. This is just another story about my life, but I'm just going to share it because why not? I just started to. But I was playing football practice, and after practice, I went to go take my mouthpiece off, or take my helmet off, and take my mouthpiece out, but my mouth wouldn't open. And my mouth had just clenched down on my mouthpiece, and I take my helmet off, and I have it over like this, and now my whole helmet's just dangling from my mouthpiece, and I'm like, huh. I didn't know what lockjaw was at the time. So what do you do, right? You just grab the helmet and you jerk on it as hard as you can, is what I did. And then what happened was my jaw popped. And ever since then, if I open my mouth too far, it makes this popping sound. Now I can show you right now. If you don't like gross things, maybe you don't want to listen, but it's quite interesting. But this is what it's been like ever since 9th grade in that football day. And these are things, life lessons that I've learned. It's just, I don't know. It's just one of those things. But here we go, jaw. If you can hear that, yeah, that's been happening forever. I guess since I was, however old that was. How old was I? 96? No, it was 90. No, it was 96. Fall of 96. So I was 15. 15. So that was 24 years ago. One day at practice. What caused lockjaw? I don't know. It's quite interesting though. Anyway, I don't even remember how I got on that, honestly. I was just talking a lot. Sorry. Not sorry, though. Really just, I don't even know at times. Today was another great practice, though. I enjoyed it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for everything that you do. I love you. I do appreciate it all, and life is amazing if you want it to be. If you believe it to be, your life can be anything you want it to be. I promise you. Just follow simple rules. Number 1, cause no harm. Put no hate out there. That could be 2 rules, or it's all in one. Don't do bad shit. Be nice. Be nice and kind, and lead with your heart. Lead with love. Put love behind everything. Be mindful of your thoughts, be mindful of your actions, and be mindful of your words, all 3 of those. You have complete control over only your thoughts. your words and your actions. You have no control of anything else. But if you take control of those three things, you take power back to live your life the way you want it to be, and you can think what you want to think and make things happen, providing that you control your thoughts, your words, and your actions, and you put love out there first. Cause no harm. You cannot cause harm and think good will come into your life. It will not come into your life. You have to be mindful of your words, little things. Little things. It'll come back to you sometimes faster than you imagine, and sometimes it takes longer. Sometimes it's years down the road, and bam, something happens, and you're like, and it's an opportunity to learn. Wait, does that have anything to do with what I did 15 years ago? Yeah, it does. Because the energy doesn't forget. You got to put yourself in the right positive energy. Love is the highest vibration, so put yourself in that vibration. By putting love out there, more love will come in. It's quite simple. It really is. Just love. Don't be mean. Don't put hate in the world. Don't harm other people. Be mindful of your words. Be mindful of your thoughts. Don't think bad thoughts. Bad thoughts may stream into your mind every once in a while, but don't dwell on them. Don't give them any fuel. Don't let them grow. Because all you have is today, because tomorrow might not come. So you might as well live and love and see the joy in the world and the beauty in the world. Or do whatever you want. That's how I live my life, though. You can do whatever you want. You do you. Thanks, April, again. So with and the video and the whatever this is, Gong practice 186. Laugh more, love more, and smile more. I love you. Thank you very much. Have a great day, or whatever it is for you.